Good morning teachers, good morning everyone. In this video, I'm going to share with you my design updated template in creating our grade point average or GPA to simplify our job. So all you need to do in this template is just to change the name of your section, your grade and section, and to paste your grades, their corresponding section column, okay? Then it will automatically count the range of grade from these categories from beginning, developing, approaching, proficiency, and proficient, and advanced. Okay, so just simply open your grade sheet. For instance here, just simply, for example, this is your first section. Just simply highlight the grades to select, then right click, then copy, then open your template for grade point average, this one. So for example here, that's the grade for male. You just simply right click here and then paste using these values only. So click this one, then it will automatically count the number of students. So 18, so this is a formula just to count the students here, the number of students, and it will automatically create here. So male is 18 and it will also automatically add the total. Okay, so you can change, actually you can only edit the sections here. So for example, this is the grade for grade 7 Galileo, then you press enter, and then it will automatically change here. So meaning the rows here, entries for rows from these rows are from entries from Galileo. Okay, so for instance, for female, you open your grade sheet and you scroll down for the grades for the female, you highlight, then you right click, then copy, then going back to your template, click here at the taskbar here and open, then paste here at the female for section Galileo. Okay, so paste only the values. Okay, then it will automatically count the number of females. So for example, it's 24 and the total is 42. So automatic, you cannot actually change any of the formulas here because I have locked this one for security, that you cannot change any of these formulas, so that all the entries would be accurate or 100% accurate. There is no chance actually that you can make an error here because these are formulas and these are locked. Okay, so automatic. So first section is complete for GPA. So for second section here, for example, you change this one to your section 7, for instance Einstein. Okay, so that's your second section. Enter, it will automatically change here Einstein, and then the entries would be Einstein. Okay, here you're going to paste the male for Einstein and the female for Einstein, their grades. So third section, you change this one and then it will automatically change here. So the same with Rizal here and the rest of the section. So you just simply paste the grades here for the corresponding sections you type above. Okay, for printing, you can actually print this one because I have already set this one to an A4. So when you press Ctrl P, so no need for you to adjust because this is already for printing. Okay, so that is set for printing. Okay, going back, you can change actually the school here. Here you can edit this one because I have actually allow anybody to edit the name of the school and the heading actually here. And you can change the logo. You just simply right click here, right click on the logo to replace, then change picture, and then from file, meaning you're going to search the logo, you're going to put your school logo. For example, I'm going to change, for example, this is our division logo and I'm going to insert. So that's how to change or to replace logo in this template. Okay, then you can type actually the teacher's name here. so that you will have an intact copy of your GPA for quarter 1, GPA for quarter 2. You can make entries for quarter 2 so that you will not erase any of your data for GPA for quarter 1. So your entries for quarter 2, you just simply click here and do the same what you did in quarter 1, quarter 3, and quarter 4. Okay, so that's all how to use this automated template to create our GPA for 2002 to 2003 updated template. So if you like this content, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated of all the templates, the video lessons and tutorials that I'm going to upload. Thank you so much for watching.